All right. So I wanted to do another video right away as this was happening here. We got this level here where they retail have been short in EuroCAD since here 14421. Okay, that level is this level here, this red one. What's happened is, remember, they're long from way up here somewhere. We'll put the number on it. There, it's I can't remember where it is. I'll put it up in a minute. Hang on. But let's just deal with this first. I wanted to show you the reaction right away off that level that we just literally discussed. Um, Now, that's why if you don't know these levels that are given to us for free here, I can't see how anyone's got any chance in figuring out what the hell is going on in this game, because I've been staring at these screens now for, well, since 2006, and I worked at one place, and then since then been doing it myself, and it's just endless. All the time I've spent moving these screens around, making things fit, it's just unbelievable. Um, but hang on, let's go over to uh, this place here. What we're wondering is, are we going to come through here and then drop, or are we going to stop here when we get our profit down here, and then is the whole thing going to turn around, and then they're going to start trapping sellers? Because in order for these guys, so these sellers here are getting paid. Okay, they're in profit. Um, and they're now in profit, so they're happy. But the buyers in EuroCAD, which is 94% of them, are getting screwed, minus 219 points right now. And these guys are praying that they can get that they can get out of this. And that level is 14602. 602. Yeah, it's there, right? I had this on there. All right, well, close enough. 14602. Okay, we'll just do that now. Okay, so they're buying from around here. They're all totally screwed. But in order for us to see something here, I want to move this screen over to here now and show you another perspective of this. If we look at Euro as a whole, or CAD as a whole, as the actual index itself, we see CAD Yen huge, okay? CAD Swiss less huge. New Zealand CAD, so we'll reverse this and just look at it like it's going down, is massive. So New Zealand relative to yen is stronger. But it's close. They're both huge. These are the two craziest currencies, New Zealand and yen currently. Aussie is less crazy as New Zealand. Pound is more bearish, right? It's more bearish than Aussie. And euro is really weak. It's weaker than pound. We can see that here. And now USD dollar is weaker than euro. So if we looked at the euro dollar chart, I'm sure it's going up, right? It's going up because dollar here is crazier in terms of its down move than euro is. So therefore, US dollar, euro US dollar must be going up. So since we know this, this is the side we should be on in euro dollar, for example. Now this sell in euro CAD, the reason it's working so well from that level is very simple. Well, we know the craziest yen. Second, second craziest is New Zealand. Aussie, let's say that's third. CAD Swiss is not as good as these. No. Pound is stronger than euro, so euro pound I guess is going down. We now know that euro is weak, okay, because it's weaker than pound, but it's not weaker than dollar. That's what I'm trying to get at here. Now we're going to move this over, and now we're going to check on as a look at the perspective on the whole entire euro index. Oops, just move this over 1 second. Okay, that's over there. You should be able to see this now. I'm gonna try and move this, squeeze this over. All right, well, here, this is good. Okay. Same thing, right? Euro, way stronger than yen. Yen is super weak. That's what this is telling us. Euro Swiss is down, so Swiss is stronger. Euro Aussie, super weak. So Aussie is really strong. New Zealand, really strong. Dollar is weaker. Okay. CAD, Euro CAD is weak. So Euro is weaker than CAD. Now we can see this is reflected over here, okay? Because Euro does have some strength versus the yen. And it has a little strength against the Swiss and some more strength against the dollar. So the money is not about the euro at the moment. They're in one particular index. From what I believe, I think they go into the individual indexes. I don't think they're buying the individual pairs. I think they're buying the currency as a whole or selling the currency as a whole. I think that's how they're transferring them, making these transfers, something like that. Because the indexes as a whole, it's like the euro yen can be going up, but it's forever. But like we can see here, it's not against the Aussie. So maybe the money's in Aussie. Okay, no, because we can see the New Zealand stronger. Anyway, that's how I'm trying to look at it and see it as at this perspective. I'm seeing obviously euro CAD down, so I think we should just try not to think about this pullback up. It's an illusion, perhaps. I'm not sure, but for now we're going to monitor it down to this level, and then we're going to reevaluate, look at the same thing again, all over again, and we need something to equal something. Then we look at the numbers, and then we have the answer. That's what we're looking for. The answer. What is the answer to this? Which way is it going? Well, we know euro pound's going down because in this example here we even saw it. Look, euro. Where is it here? Where's the pound gone? On the other side over there, on the CAD. Let me just check 1 second. Right, pound is strong, pound is going up against the CAD a lot more than euro CAD is. So we know that pound is stronger than euro, therefore euro pound is going down. That's how we have to find these trades, by looking at it that way, and then you get the real bias. Anyway, I just thought I'd touch base on with you again and just let you know my feelings on what's going on. Thanks.